Here we're looking at the same battery setup as the system that powers the well pump. This is powering my refrigerator 24/7. There's 450 amp hours in AGM style batteries. There's the same charge controller, 30 amp. And there's a meter measuring what comes in. And then I have an on-off switch on the negative side and a 200 amp fuse on the positive side. This is a 2000 watt, 4000 watt inverter. Well, this one runs 24/7. The key here is to look for inverters that have enough power to get your refrigerator running, and also on the no load, when the refrigerator is idle, that your inverter is not eating up all your battery.